What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Big Z here from Learn Bengali, and welcome to another tutorial with Big Z. In this lesson, I'm going to teach you how to ask someone where he or she works in Bengali. So this is going to be a short lesson and reasonably straightforward. So let's get started without further ado. Alright, so here we are. Where do you work, right? Right here, where do you work? So you're asking someone, where do you work? How do you say that in Bengali? Apni kothay kaj karen, right? That's the formal version. So you meet someone who's older than you, or you meet someone like brand new, never met before. You're gonna have to use apni, okay? Oh well, usually we use that for someone who's older than you, and we assume that, oh, this person's older. But whatever, you guys know the deal. So formal version is apni kothay kaj karen, right? Apni kothay kaj karen, right here. Apni kothay kaj karen. And informal version is tumi kothay kaj karo, right? Simple, simple. তুমি কোথায় কাজ করো? Right here. আপনি কোথায় কাজ করেন? That's the formal version. And তুমি কোথায় কাজ করো? Right? তুমি কোথায় কাজ করো? আপনি কোথায় কাজ করেন? Formal and informal. Right there. And how do you answer that question? Right here. I'm show you right now. I work at Walmart. আমি Walmart-এ কাজ করি. Walmart stays Walmart. Walmart is English. Walmart is not Bengali, right? So, but I still write that down in Bengali here. আমি Walmart-এ কাজ করি. So, yeah. That's that. So any the place of work is going to be basically right after ami here and kachkuri. So ami, place of work, kachkuri, just like that. One other example here, it's the exact same one as before. Basically, I work at McDonald's. Ami McDonald's kachkuri. So once again, ami here, ami, and then you got place of work and kachkuri. Simple. So that's the pattern basically. So here I wrote down the pattern for you guys. Say ami here, ami, place of work, a category, right? So that's that, right? So say for example I work in Burger King. I can say ami Burger King a category. Just like that. You just add Burger King in here, a category. Simple as that, right? I hope this makes sense to you guys. Any question, comment, let me know. Otherwise, thank you very much for watching my videos, and do not forget to subscribe. Big Z out.